Tomorrow is Sunday. Yay! I just want to carry on through this whole period of my pregnancy without having to film anything and do anything. Just enjoy the moment to myself, savor it as much as I can. But yeah, hey besties, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time coming across this channel, my name is Matafo, so welcome to my channel. Funny, I'm starting this vlog in the evening. I've been sleeping since morning. I really needed the sleep. It seems like it's going to rain. Anyways, guys, like I was saying before, I woke up, had breakfast, and since then I haven't done anything reasonable with myself. I didn't even bother myself to go out of the house today at all. The sunlight is down already, yeah, and there is no light, no paper light either. But these days, all I do is when I find the energy to film something, be it night, be it morning, be it afternoon, be it there's sunlight, be it there's no sunlight, pick up my phone and I do something, because it's not every time I get the energy. Right now, I'm not really sure if you guys can hear me really clear. Reason be that I am not using my microphone. Yeah, let me go get it. I'll be right back. Okay, good to go, good to go, good to go. So I just woke up right now. Actually, someone woke me up from sleep. I wanted her to bring something for me to the house, so I heard her knocking, so I went to open the door. Sad news, she woke me up from my sleep. Good news, she inspired me picking up my phone, and this vlog you're watching right now. Anyways, if you're new to this channel, please do not make this your last time by subscribing to my channel. Turn on the notification bell. That's where you get notified every single time I post a new video. Updates. I have updates. I'm not sure I have any update. I just want to do the dishes right now because yeah, I don't want to leave my kitchen that way till tomorrow morning. Guys, we are gradually coming to the end of second trimester. I'm excited, mixed feelings anyways. I woke up past 7 this morning and I'm supposed to be somewhere by 9 today. Anyways, I want to hurry up, freshen up. I might not carry you guys along. When I'm done, I'll just come back and tell you guys. Later today, maybe by 1 past 1 or 2 o'clock, I would have to go to the market because I want to get few stuff for cooking today. Yeah, that I'll carry you guys along hopefully. So yeah, just let me give you guys a brief. I'm exhausted. I can't even talk for 2 minutes without trying to catch my breath. Yeah, it's kind of already looking like a busy day for me. So let's get going. don't know if I should pack my phone. Hey guys, I am all set and ready to leave the house. I'll see you guys in a bit.
Lots of frustration. You know to see your period again. All you need is to be someone that also fast. You really have that medicine when you face ulcer, your liver ulcer, peptic ulcer, gastric ulcer. All you need now also fast. Another one that you need go Chief George. This one now special about.
If I be a prophet of God, I pass a decree in your life from today to travel outside the country. Come and tell this man congratulations. You are desiring to leave this country, to go outside the country. You want your younger ones to do. Wait, you know it's a place.
Hey besties, it's been over 72 hours since I filmed the last clip you guys just saw. I got back from the market and damn, the energy wasn't even there to even do a quick all of the things that I got. So even while I was in the market, I didn't even film throughout. I was tired. I just did the little thing I could do that evening and I went straight to bed. The next day I finished up. And yeah, today we are here. It's Saturday. I'm taking out my old braids as you guys can see. I'm contemplating. I think cornrows are going to be better, but to be honest, I don't think I have the energy to start, wearing wigs when I want to go to important places. But at the same time, I don't think I have the energy to sit down and do something meaningful today as well. I'm thinking of making packing gel with it. That's if it works. Yeah, I don't know. Hopefully my unrelaxed hair will be able to do that perfectly without it getting rough in just no time. If I'm to be honest and sincere with you guys, I just want to carry on through this whole period of my pregnancy without having to film anything and do anything. Just enjoy the moment to myself, savor it as much as I can. But yeah, at the same time, there's a whole lot of fun sharing, looking back at the videos you've made while you're pregnant. Aside from the fact that I want to share with my subscribers, looking back at it myself, I'll be like, sweet memories and all of that good stuff. So yeah, I'm trying my best to film at the same time, trying my best to make sure that I want to be comfortable filming. I don't know if you guys understand. The moment I get tired, I just let it be. I'm human. But if I have the energy to do all the doings, why not? If not, I'll carry you guys along. It's currently past 8 in the morning. I wonder what I've been doing since I got up. I wonder. Because I've not done anything serious or important or meaningful. And yet the time is just ticking. Tick tock, tick tock. Hey guys, I am done with my hair. So I want to get ready now and head off to the salon. Hey guys, I am back home now. I couldn't move vlog when I was at the salon because my dad was tired. I don't know, but I get really, really tired easily these days. Whew. Anyways, I'm back home. I later went for the packing gel style. As you guys can see, it's really not the best because my hair is not relaxed. I wish it was relaxed, but I do not want to go that lane. No reason in particular. I just don't want to relax my hair for now. Anyways, I made use of half row. I didn't want it littered around everywhere, so I just asked the girl to wrap it up. You guys, I have 1001 reasons why I don't like making my nails, and I have like just 5 reasons why I like to make my nails. 1001 reason is definitely more than 5 reasons, but I keep doing them when I feel like I want to do them, even though they don't last. Not because they are not strong enough, because I end up pulling them out with force when I get tired of my nails. Well, anyways, I made this one really, really short just so that I can work with them. I love the color I picked, red. Anyways, enough of my rambling. I think I've just been making vlogs in the house. I'll try and go out as often as I can. Tomorrow is Sunday. Yay! Maybe I'll do get ready with me vlog. Hopefully. I want to go and eat something. I'll see you guys soon. All of you, you guys, you get ready because I'm about to be doing my hands like this on my camera so you can be seeing my redness. Yeah. Don't mind me, guys. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you.
Some of you waka pium from place to place. Okay, since you have been waka, what have you gotten? I am telling you.
you the simple principle of how it works. You know what I'm talking about. If you know, I'll come to someone. You see, okay, you have come for deliverance. What has happened? Sit down, man. All those waka before you die, you come on. Just do what I've told you. I know this thing. It's a principle I know. Principles is what you used to do with municipalities.